Today in court, we heard different points of view on the shooting that occurred on June 12, 2021, when Douglas Cantor was shot and killed, and more than a dozen people were injured. We also heard about the events leading up to DeAndre White's arrest. More witnesses were called to testify on Thursday, one of them being Austin Police Detective Danny Hernandez. He walked the state through the investigation immediately following the shooting. He says social media accounts, specifically spam accounts, played a big role in helping identify two different groups present on 6th Street that night. Detective Hernandez says they were able to view activity from DeAndre White's secondary account, where he was allegedly trying to sell a Glock firearm. He also testified investigators were looking for a Glock as the weapon used in the deadly shooting. One witness, Nakira Hewlett, was called to testify, appearing to be someone who arrived on 6th Street with a group of people, including DeAndre White. She first said that she could not remember most of the details, prompting the state to request her to review the previous statement she gave to police. Attorney for the Cantor family, Doug O'Connell, says he's not surprised.
At this point, no, it doesn't surprise me because we've seen other individuals from either DeAndre White's circle of friends or the other group from Clean, and none of them have seemed to be overly cooperative with law enforcement.
Hewlett testified again in the afternoon and says she heard 3 gunshots that night but did not see any firearms drawn by DeAndre or otherwise. However, when the group arrived back to an apartment in Killeen, she says she saw 1 gun on a bed and is unsure who it belonged to. Texts were also shown in court from a group chat including DeAndre and Nakira with messages like, quote, "We're going to have a makeover day," and, quote, "Who can dye hair," following the shooting. Other witnesses testifying Thursday included Killeen Police Department officers and Dennis Hudson, who was temporarily housing White. He maintains that he was unaware who DeAndre was until the U.S. Marshals showed up searching for him. The trial resumes tomorrow morning. Jessica Taylor, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.